India's BharatNet isn't just infrastructure. It is the largest rural connectivity mission on earth. But connecting 250,000 gram panchayats across diverse terrain requires more than cables. It requires Lepton's intelligence.
हमारा प्रयास है कि देश में डिजिटल रिवॉल्यूशन का फायदा समाज के आखिरी व्यक्ति तक पहुंचे।
With 3 decades of GIS and telecom expertise, Lepton Software powers the planning and operations intelligence behind this transformation. Our unified platform provides real-time visibility across lakhs of kilometers of network planning, from feasibility surveys to last-mile connectivity.
ITI has successfully worked with Lepton Software in previous projects, including that of defense, and now working with BharatNet in West Bengal and in Northeast too. They have delivered very efficiently and effectively in all the projects.
We are at agency working in Commended BharatNet program. During this program, we have also partnered with Lepton for our digital journey.
Across India, we are not just mapping fiber. We are creating a digital twin of India's connectivity future.
For 3 decades, Lepton has been building innovative GIS solutions with leading telcos across the globe. In BharatNet projects, our Made in India platform NetworkAccess is planning and managing lakhs of kilometers of fiber with precision and ease. Aligned with our Prime Minister's vision of Atmanirbhar and Digital India vision, we are ensuring that every rupee invested leads to connectivity across the country.
From pioneering in Gujarat to powering connectivity across India, Lepton is transforming the Digital India vision into reality, one gram panchayat at a time.